Hi guys, good afternoon to all. Very good afternoon. As in at it's Tuesday today and especially for teaching day, so I will teach you a very good topic according to this modern era, and that is hacking. I want to teach you something about hacking because we all are using phones, then we should know about hacking. And it is in trending in this era. So first of all, I want to give you the definition of hacking. So what is the definition of hacking? If our information is going in another device illegally, so it is called hacking. The first this name was the name hacking was named first time in 1860, and it was named in America. But it was not in the intention of bad. It was intention of good because the company was going in very bad situation. Then they hacked the company's data, that what is happening, that should we hack, and we should take the details of hacking. Then it was for the good thing, but we nowadays we are taking in a good, bad things, that it is hacking is a bad thing. So I am telling you some parts of hacking. So first of all is data breach. What is data breach? I think you all are aware of data breach. It is the hacking in which we take anyone's photos, anyone's passwords, ID, that we steal someone's ID, we are stealing IDs, photos, and we are taking the calls, that what is he chatting, what is he calling about. So if we take this type of information, so it is called data breach hacking. But it is normal hacking, it is not normal hacking because Article 21 that we can take our privacy. So it is not good that we are taking someone's passwords and IDs. And second is social engineering. What is social engineering? That we can say by this name that it is something big. So if we suppose that if we are installing some apps, so we give the permission for all the information, that the app is saying that should we go do this, so yes, we say all things yes. But we can see that in middle of this the hacker can hack your phone. So we should pay attention of this, because if we are installing by the Play Store and by the illegal websites, which websites are not secure, we visit all the websites, then our phone can also hacked. And the type of this hacking is social engineer hacking. And third is man in the middle. It is man in middle. We can see by this name that man in middle. In this hacking, we hack another's phone by Wi-Fi. As you can see that we use Wi-Fi. Nowadays we are using Wi-Fi, but we don't know. We only mean to take Wi-Fi. Please give me a hotspot. Please share your data, but we don't know. But by Wi-Fi we can also hack another's phone. So we should consider that if we are using Wi-Fi, so we should be alert that there is not illegal thing by which our phone can hacked or not. And third is white hat hackers. If we talk about white hat hackers, so we can say that these hackers are good, because these hackers are made for the welfare of the government, the welfare of the companies. Because if we talk about white hat hackers, so we hired the white hat hackers, and they also take permissions from the businessmen, from the companies, from the government, that so can we hack your phone, because can you hack your data, that we are taking information of your data. But first of all they take information, they take permission, that can we do this. So they give good things, and they give the suggestions for the government that what is happening in your data, and for also companies that what is happening in your companies. And they also alert that your data is about to hack, so you should also pay attention on your data. So we can say that it is called white hat hackers. And if we want to do course in white hat hacker, that is ethical course, ethical hackers. If we talk about the salary of ethnic hackers, so it is very high. If we want to do study of hackers, so we should do the study of ethical hackers, because they are very secure and they do the work for the welfare of the people, and they do the work for welfare for government. And if we talk about the fourth, that is one is fifth, that is black hat hackers. You can see in this radar there are a lot of that you received a call and someone hacked your phone, that he is blackmailing you, that I have your photos, I hacked your phone, that if he is doing some crime by the hacking, so it is called black hat hackers. And sometimes if we talk about the Facebook and Twitter, I don't know that you are aware or not, but as I listened the news that Facebook's and Twitter's data also leaked, that someone hacked. And as I also listened Domino's India, it is the about 180 million people's data was stolen, and the person who stole this data, who came to know our address, our phone number, everything, that we should be aware. And black hat hackers, it is very dangerous, that they even blackmail for the companies, they even blackmail for the big companies, and they demand for a lot of things. And who all hackers are very dangerous, so we can say that black hat hackers. And sixth one is grey hat hackers. These hackers are like they hack for the enjoyment, but it is not also good that we are doing hacking for our enjoyment. So if when we hack someone's phone for the enjoyment, so it is called grey hat hackers. If you are hacking someone's phone, so you can see yourself that which type of hackers you are, that we can be only grey hat hackers, because we only hack another's phone for only enjoy. We can, because these all are illegally. And we can also take a step against our phones, that if someone has hacked our phone, so we can also take a step, because it is our right that we can have our privacy. Okay, I have completed my topic. What all I have taught you. If you have any questions, so you can ask me. Yes, ma'am.
And you talked about this. So if I talk about that, those are related to any apps here. If I talk about that, they hacked only mobile, they hacked one app.
Can you repeat your question, because I didn't.
I said that those are apps, those apps hacked only application or all mobile, full mobile.
Okay, yes, sometimes it can be that they can hack your only one application, and sometimes it can be that they can hack your all the phone. And I want to tell you that I forgot
What did you write on the board? I mean,
yes.
all are same.
No, different things are.
No, I know that
yes.
They are different. I mean, they can hack only one application or mobile.
This type, they are also part in this type of hackers, that if his data breach, so he can only steal your data only for your WhatsApp and also for your phone. It matters.
You can take information.
Yes, it is. It can be another, that he is only taking information of your one application, and he is taking information of all your phone. If you want to secure your phone, then you should change your password of your every applications.
This solution that we can remove that our mobile is hacked.
Yes, there is a trick that we can dial hashtag, that star hashtag 21 hashtag, that we can dial if the things are if your phone is hacked, so the information will come on your phone.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Nice to talk with you.